guys, and welcome back to our channel, The Mauro. Thank you very much for following us. If you did not subscribe yet, please make sure that you hit the like button and you do subscribe. It is very, very important for us, since we put a lot of effort into making all these videos to make sure that you get the perfect content and to make sure that you get a fantastic end result all the time. So the best way you can honor us, is make sure that you do subscribe, please. If you have any comments, you have any questions, do feel free to write it under the video, and then I will be able to answer it as soon as possible. Now, today, it is going to be a little shorter, and you see the location is a bit different. So we are actually in the heart of our business, our operation. We are in our kitchen, our restaurant, the real De Mauro in Székesfehérvár, Hungary. I chose the location to make this video here. It is very simple. I like to make a little bit of comparison in between pizza Classica, Ruota di Carro, and the Contemporanea, so you can see the difference, what it looks like. Yet we will be using the same dough, so I do say we are using the same dough, yet originally the dough is different. In Contemporanea we use a lower hydration, less yeast inside, of course. And then when we're talking about Classica, originally it is always baked in a wood-fired oven. It's very important, that it has to be done in 60 seconds, temperature over 450 Celsius. Yes, so it's damn bloody hot. Different type of ways to make it. And then Contemporanea, which is a little bit different, the dough usually is a little bit heavier, different type of stretching. And then we will be making margaritas, so both pizza will be a margherita, and I will put it down in front of you so you can compare 1 and 2 and then decide it for yourself. Yet, when you go to Napoli, in Italy, 99% of pizzerias will be serving Ruota di Carro for you, which is the Classica. And also, I must say that it's closer to my heart as well. But enough of the talk, let's make some pizza. The first one which we're gonna make, it is the Ruota di Carro. It's very important that the stretching is a little bit different, and of course, we're not gonna leave a big cornichon on the side. It's not gonna have a big high edge. This is gonna be more flat, and of course it's wider. Also the size will be bigger. And we are making the queen of pizzas, Margherita. You see that we are spreading the sauce nicely, widely, leaving around a centimeter of edge in there. The Parmesan cheese, some basil leaves. Make sure that whatever you do, any kind of toppings, even with leaves, you always use odd numbers. If you use even numbers, it is bad luck. So try to use always odd numbers. Some beautiful mozzarella, fior di latte. And of course, extra virgin olive oil. Now, when we are placing it on the peel, you see that we are stretching it here on the peel as well. And it's very important that you see it hangs over the peel a little bit on the side. So it's huge. Wow, look at the beast. Okay, so you see it hangs off the plate well. And then we're gonna make Contemporanea as well, just so you can compare it. See, firstly the stretching is a bit different, we're shaping back nice round shape, making it well in the middle. Yeah. Okay. So, different techniques you see already, you know, with the stretching, and you're gonna see the difference in between the size as well. So, give it 60 seconds, and then we can see them live next to each other. Time is ticking. 10 seconds, guys. As I always say, is the moment when I start counting down with my daughter when we are baking pizza. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Looking sexy. That's good. Really hold it close to the fire, you know, to get a little bit better tan, a little bit better color on them. And then coming out. And then, of course, you know, my favorite thing, which is not Italian, it's British, but I always say it's Maldon sea salt. You can never miss it. And then have a look at it. Some fresh basil, still we can put. Yeah. And a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now, so you see, Ruota di Carro, Ruota di Carro needs to hang over the plate, which is a Classica, and then New Age, Contemporary, you know, which is now it's happening. And then, how we eat in Contemporary pizza? Always with the scissors. So, see if you cut it up. Look at the dough. Wow. Unbelievable. Yes, beautiful, very sexy. And then Ruota carrot, have it. I'll show you. We eat it like this. You wrap it up again, and then you take it. Guys, there is no question out there. Just eat it and enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Until then, make sure you eat some pizzas and make sure you do subscribe and follow us. Ciao. Mm.